What's up guys, Frank Wall. I'm gonna give you some easy, simple tips for grocery shopping. I'm gonna do a 90-day transformation personally for myself. It's been almost 3 years since I was in the best shape of my life, and I'm gonna share with you guys dirty little secrets that I have to help get you there. What we're gonna do, I went grocery shopping and spent about $140. Got some organic bananas. I generally like going organic with these just cause a lot of times when you get the regular bananas, they almost taste like there's some chlorine or something in there when they're going bad. So a lot of times like these, they stay fresher longer, and I'm gonna have this post-workout, okay? If you're diabetic or your insulin sensitivity is kind of off, I might recommend doing some berries, but again, this is what works for me and may work for you, so this is kind of my post-workout carb. The template I'm kind of doing is basically I'm doing carbs after my workout, and then I'm gonna do them for the next meal after. So generally I'll have some fruit and a shake, and then I'll go for sweet potatoes or brown rice or spicy black beans. I'm gonna drain these, take a little bit of the sodium out of there, so I'm just gonna wash them in water. Got some Japanese sweet potatoes or the boniato, however you wanna say. I just found these at Kroger. It's similar in flavor, but just a little less sweet. My go-to snack of 2018 right now is these orange halos. Like if I'm feeling carb depleted for whatever reason, I'll have just one of these. It's about 9 grams of carbs a piece. No big deal. I'll have these either after a workout or just a little snack throughout the day. I got the organic, no stir, crunchy peanut butter. Yes, it's got a little palm oil. It's organic, cane sugar. 2 grams of sugar per serving, 6 grams of carbs. Not bad. This is something quick and easy. A lot of times I'll get the natural, stir the oil inside the peanut butter, but this is just what I got. It's on sale. Just starting my 90-day program. I'm not going crazy. Occasionally I will get on my FitnessPal and track some of my calories in there. Got a water. The goal, guys, is a gallon of water a day. This is one of the most important things. If I can go right off the top of my head, it's gonna be optimized hormones, hydration, sleep, reduced stress, and good nutrition, good training, mobility, flexibility protocol, all very important in your conquest of fitness, right? Some of the meats I'm getting into, I'm gonna have these for breakfast. A lot of this stuff was on sale. Last week I did a lot of beef. I only bought this because it was $4.49, so that's what I'm rolling with, the Laura's lean beef. I try and go as natural as possible. A lot of times I don't buy organic everything. I don't think I bought a lot of organic stuff today, but simple truth is a little bit better quality brand when you are shopping at Kroger. So I'm gonna have this for breakfast. Just about 12 ounces. I'm gonna have these throughout the morning with eggs, fats, and proteins first meal of the day. Generally every 3rd or 4th day I might have carbs in the morning. Every 3 days. Saturday I blow out a cheat meal, and Sunday sometimes is a refeed day. But I'm kind of testing the waters here based on how my body looks and feels. That's how I'm gonna change my nutrition. Being a fat kid at heart, I still got some weight to lose, right? So this is the meal plan that works for me. You'll see a lot of other people on Instagram, social media, YouTube, 300, 400 grams of carbs, the 40, 40, 20, equal carbs and proteins. That's not where I'm at right now. I want to get a little bit of this excess fat off, so I'm jumping straight into fats and proteins. That works really well for me. It's not gonna be crazy, super high protein. It's gonna have a little bit of higher fats in there, but for the most part, my carbs are gonna be time after my workout. About a pound of beef. Got about 7.5 pounds of chicken. I just went with a natural, simple truth chicken. I didn't get the organic free range, so that's what I'm rolling with here. That's gonna be my main staple choice. Every week I like to rotate it. The best thing you can do if you can get a different source of protein with each meal, it's gonna help you in the long run, so your body won't get as much sensitivity just having the same foods over and over. You may store more water, you may not burn fat as efficiently, so I like to rotate my proteins out a little bit. This is what I'm giving up last, guys. I don't recommend you drinking this. This isn't good for you, it's dairy. But I will put this in my coffee, and probably the last 2 weeks if I want to get crazy lean, which, you know, summer shredding, whatever, I might pull that out. But for the most part, I'm drinking this because I have my breakfast in the morning. Sometimes I'll have a little bit of coffee when I'm tired, or if I'm feeling a little hungry, just to help suppress appetite, not take any fat burners or anything like that. So I'm gonna use this for just that full flavor of my coffee. Can't forget about the Bragg's apple cider vinegar. I'm gonna basically take a few tablespoons of this first thing in the morning with water. Studies show you can lose about 5% body fat, but you gotta make sure you're drinking plenty of water, staying hydrated, eating healthy, and so many other important factors come into play. Avocados, healthy fats. Generally I'm gonna have about 1 of these with a meal in a day, especially if it's like a super low carb day. I wanna make sure my fats are higher. That's a mistake a lot of people make, is they drop their carbs, they drop their fats, and they keep their protein, whatever. What I like to do is make sure when my protein is up and my carbs are low, I'm gonna up my fats. Avocados, I freaking love them. Turkey bacon, baby. This makes your egg whites flavorful, or your eggs. I like to add this in. I'll mix this up. I might do this, I might do beef, I might do sausage. I just kind of mix things up first thing in the morning. Adds a lot of flavor. About 1 gram of carbs in there, no big deal. I got the Simple Truth natural ground turkey patties, 93.7. Great little quality protein here. Just got about 4 pounds of that. Like I said, 7 pounds of the chicken. And that's pretty much what I'm rolling with right there. If you come over here, this is my vegetable blends. Fresh is best, obviously, but for the most part, I'm just gonna do some frozen because it's quick and easy to do. I can mix this in coconut oil. Got about, 3 pounds of broccoli or so, about 3.25 pounds of cauliflower. The program I went to, they didn't have the organic. Generally, I like buying these organic veggies. they honestly did taste a little bit better in my opinion. So I don't do organic everything. Like for example, the peppers. Sometimes I'm organic, this time I didn't. These regular peppers didn't look too bad, so I got the red, yellow, and orange. And those are my veggies I'm rolling with. So I'm gonna have that and a little bit of coconut oil. This is my meal prep week 2. Going at it, getting in the best shape of my life. I want you guys to follow along my journey. If you really liked this video, if you felt it was helpful, go ahead and hit that like button, subscribe, stay tuned to my content. Follow me on Instagram, Frank Wall Fitness. I post a lot of content on there. Subscribe, share this video with your friends, and let me know how I can help. See you.